I've come across some videos on the internet space and I was like, what? How can someone be taking a variable raised to the same variable to be the same? This is an injustice to an exponential equation. It is unacceptable. How can someone say if x raised to power x is equal to 27, then x raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 3, and this x is same thing as this 3, and this x is same thing as this 3? No, that is unacceptable. Or someone say x raised to power x is equal to maybe 25, and say x raised to power x is equal to 5 squared, and this x is equal to 5, x is equal to 2. And the answer is no, that is unacceptable. That is totally wrong. So for your information, this x and this x, they are not the same. So this is totally wrong. You will recall from my previous logarithm video that I said log a is the same thing as log a base 10. This is a common logarithm. I also said log a base e is equal to ln a. This is a natural logarithm. Also, going forward, if you take this log a and you add an exponential base to it, it will be log a is equal to exponential log a, which is equal to a, meaning that log a is the same thing as exponential log a, which is equal to a, if you want to find the value for a. Also, going forward, by using Lambert exponential function or Lambert function or Lambert W function, we have that W a exponential a is equal to a, just like this. So you have to know this as a mathematics student. Let's take, for instance, if x raised to power x is equal to 25 and we are asked to find x, note that this x and this x is not the same. This is an exponential equation. So to find x, we are going to introduce logarithm and we say solution. We say log x raised to power x is equal to log 25, taking logarithm of both sides. So this x will come down as x log x is equal to log 25. So from here, we're going to use this x. This x is the same thing as exponential log x multiplied by log x, which is equal to log 25. So from here, we can see that this is the same thing as log x multiplied by exponential log x, which is equal to log 25. So from here, we can use the Lambert W function. Now note, for Lambert W function, we have W a exponential a is equal to a. So let's do comparison. So to compare this with this, so we're going to take the Lambert W function of both sides. So this will be W log x exponential log x, which is equal to W log 25. So from here, we can say this is now equal to log x, which is equal to W log 25. So from here, we can express this further by introducing another exponential function. So this will be exponential function as the base of log x, which is equal to exponential function of W log 25. So from here, you can now see that our x is now equal to exponential W log 25. So this is the answer. But if you punch this in a calculator, x will be approximately equal to 2.961, and this will be the answer. If you want to confirm, you can say that x raised to power x is equal to 2.961 raised to power 2.961 should give you approximately equal to 25, and that will be the answer. I know you have learned one or two things from this video. Let me know your opinion about this exponential equation, x raised to power x equal to 25, and let's see if really Lambert W function is actually needed. See you in my next video. Bye.